Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Siri to side button on this device. Alright, so to do this first we have to open our settings. Next we have to open Siri option right here, and now we have to head to talk to Siri. And now right here, as you can see, we have a press side button for Siri option that we have to turn on, and we have to obviously enable Siri. And now look, when I hold my side button, Siri is gonna pop up. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!